As computer science careers become increasingly intertwined, the modern worker requires a broader understanding of networking, programming, and cybersecurity. The Computer Science Pathway at STA allows students to build their own program from a selection of 8 semester-length courses. Students have the option of building a wider foundation by taking several cross-category courses or diving deeper through successive and specific courses.
Right now, industry is telling us that anyone in a technology field needs to know a little bit of everything, and I think that they can really offer that here at Summit Technology through software development, network operations, and cybersecurity. You really get a good feel for any kind of area that you're interested in.
Artificial intelligence, Cisco network equipment, gaming design software, and client-connected data are among the industry standard equipment available at STA.
This class offers a lot of certifications you can take and college credits, and so it just helps you get a head start and get some practice in the field.
To learn more about building your computer science pathway at STA, visit our website.